guys, welcome back to another video. We're going kayaking today, and we had to stop at a gas station because my uncle here, he didn't eat breakfast today, and he wanted something to eat. So we made it to the park, and now we're walking to the kayaks. Alright guys, so we couldn't do the canoeing today, but we are going to do the bird. Alright, I need to get my phone so we can do that. So I'm scanning the bird right now. Fun riding the birds. Hey guys, so we just got done riding the birds, and it was super fun. How was it for you?
Yeah, I had fun. It was my first time doing it. I'll probably end up doing it again. I really wanted to kayak, but they didn't have them available until 5:30. They already reserved, so I know now you got to go online and reserve it before you can actually ride it.
That was a big bummer.
It was, because I was excited to go, but there's always a next time.
Yep. And now we're heading to Best Buy.
And we're about to go look at some
Cameras?
Yep, for vlogging.
Alright, we made it to Best Buy. So we can look at these cameras if we have it. If they have it. So, what are they called again?
Canon G7X.
So the Canon G7X and the Sony something.
I forgot the model number of Sony.
I don't really know anything about cameras. Oh my gosh. For PlayStation, there is nothing in there, but it says, please see front of store and check out for additional PlayStation consoles. So they have the headsets, the pop, those things. Then they have a few games. Just a few games. Then the gift cards. And all the other stuff. A PC setup. What are these red things for? And I don't understand how to play on a PC. It's like the hardest thing. It's that thing we saw last time at Target. Just normal stuff. Just some normal stuff. Yeah. These are the games for Xbox. I know he has that. And I think that.
No.
You don't have that?
No.
Oh.
Thought about it.
I know you have Red Dead Redemption.
Yep.
Halo phone together?
Yep.
The things he has.
Fortnite characters.
Yeah, Fortnite characters. We already saw the PlayStation things. Now Nintendo. Mario. The stuff that I have. I didn't know that was on. I didn't know that was on Nintendo Switch. Yeah. I mean, some of the stuff I do have. What was this? Oh, it's like a charger. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Arc Samus. I have that amiibo. I have that amiibo right there. All the other amiibos I don't have.
Aren't you gonna do a video on your amiibos?
Yep, and I'm gonna do a video on my amiibos. Still more PC stuff. This one glows. Like almost all of these have the glow with it. Yeah, all of these have glow.
Corsair.
Oh, Corsair. And this is weird because I really don't know so much stuff about PC. So this is an Xbox for Apple.
It's a controller for the Apple TV.
Oh, Apple TV. This is a controller for Apple TV. Wow, that's weird. I've seen these type of lights in streamer rooms. Like, some can make like S's. That's pretty much what it's made for. That's just what I wanted to show you because it looked cool. It looks cool.
I want to thank you guys for coming in, subscribing, and watching our videos. Until next time, we're out.